your girl J-Bay. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you've clicked on this video, you're probably stoked to see my summer 2021 FabFitFun subscription box unboxing. I can't wait to share all of the products that I got in my box with you. I am a FabFitFun partner and I have partnered with FabFitFun on this video, but all of the opinions are my own. I'm going to give you my honest opinions and tell you what I think about the products and how I've used them in my life. I'm just going to share my honest thoughts and opinions with you. I'm known as J-Bay Productions on social media. I'm a plus size influencer and content creator. At the end of this video, you can get a discount code to use on your first box to save you some money. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that bell notification if you do so you can get notified anytime I have a new video, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave here today. Let's just hop into this video. If you've never heard of FabFitFun, let me just break it down real quick what it is for you. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. Subscribers can get full-size beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products, and annual members are now able to tailor their box, customize it fully, and now seasonal members of FabFitFun can also select an additional item in their box that they get to customize. If you don't want to customize and you just want to be surprised, FabFitFun will actually curate a box just for you so you can get it at your doorstep and be completely surprised. But if you do curate your box and you select everything, or you select some of the products, I know for me, when it gets to my doorstep, I've already forgotten what I selected, so it is literally like this gift to your doorstep that you get to open up, and it's just super exciting. FabFitFun is available in the United States, in Canada, and in the UK. Okay, so now that I've given you a little background on what FabFitFun is, let's hop into this unboxing so I can show you what I got in my summer 2021 FabFitFun box. Alright, so here is my summer 2021 FabFitFun box. It's so bright, so fun, and I love it. I know it's just a box, but it's exciting. And something that's super cool is FabFitFun actually uses recycled materials. So this box and the tissue paper that comes inside is made out of recycled materials, which I think is really cool. Okay, so first you get some fun stuff. You get a little FabFitFun magazine, some discount codes, a cute little sticker set. It just matches whatever season the box is for. And you get some discount codes to HelloFresh, a wine service, and all kinds of stuff. And they're known to throw in little freebies like this one. This freebie that they threw in is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. It's an electrolyte mix, and my fiance already used all of them. That's how much he liked them, which was super exciting because I love when we really use everything and nothing goes to waste. This pack comes with lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. It comes with a little Liquid IV flavor pouch. You just dump it into your water, get nice and hydrated, and it's tasty. FabFitFun throws in little freebies like this all the time, which I think is really cool. Okay, so I've already tried out all these products, and I can tell you without a doubt I love them, and I'm excited to show you. Let me go ahead and pull out the first item I'm going to show you today. Alright, so the first thing that I got to select and customize in my FabFitFun box was this little trio of products here. So first you get this blush pineapple mold, if this is what you select. This is what I got. We used these and we made some homemade gummies. They turned out amazing, super tasty, but what I love the most is the shape because it was so much fun and I really liked it. We make a lot of homemade gummies, and so these molds are actually perfect for them. But what these molds can also be used for, and I think what they're more intended for, is to be a little ice tray. So you can actually just fill these up with like water or juice or whatever you're gonna make your ice cubes out of, and it makes 9 little ice cubes or 9 little gummies. This is from the company Blush, and we've been really impressed by this little mold so far. So we also got this citrus squeezer, which is by Art and Cook, which we've loved and used already. You can use this to squeeze any citrus that you want. So good for lemons, limes, you name it, citrus, and you can squeeze it up with this. Super fun color for the summertime. And if you want to make like lemon water ice cubes for your lemon water, you can use this to squeeze a fresh lemon into here and then put some water and then freeze it, and you got lemon water ice cubes. All right, and the next thing that I got with this little trio, because you got to pick 3 items, there were different variations, is the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. This smells so amazing and it makes your lips super soft afterwards. So here's the little box that it came in. I've used all these products and I'm already obsessed with them, but I absolutely love it. And I've been seeing Seraphine Botanicals everywhere online right now. And this lip mask is actually made with shea butter and apricot oil, which I thought was super cool. And I think it definitely contributes to the scent. It smells really yummy. It is an overnight lip mask, which means that you put it on for overnight and it helps hydrate and soften your lips, which if you're like me, I have dry lips, especially in the summertime, you need a good lip mask, and this one is perfect. Okay, and can I just say that that's another thing I love about FabFitFun is you get to discover new products. You get to try products that you wanted to and save some money that you would normally spend when you buy products just from the store. And I think that is such a cool feature. And a lot of the products included in the box are actually made by female empowered, female owned companies, which is also amazing. Like, yes, let's empower each other. Empower women, and I love that. All right, but now let me show you the next item I got in my box. This next item I got was perfect for me because I love music. It's this cute little Bluetooth speaker. It is made by Sonics. It is the Sonics Bluetooth speaker. This thing is a dream. So you can see the buttons on the top. You go ahead and sync this with whatever Bluetooth device you're gonna use, and you can play your music, and the audio quality is amazing, and it gets pretty loud. I know it's small, but it's definitely packing a little punch, and I love that. I wanted to show you how loud it got, so let me turn on a little jam for you so you can hear it. Yes, I'm absolutely living for the summer vibe. Absolutely love the color. I think it's really fun for summer. My fiance Jake and I love getting outdoors. We're getting outdoors so much more now than we have in the last year, and it's been amazing. Highly recommend getting outdoors if you're not able to really leave or go out and be around people quite yet. Just being in the fresh air can make you feel so good. Go on a little road trip. It's super fun. And we took this outside the other day, and it was absolutely great. We got to listen to our music, great audio quality, and it was just so fun. So if you're looking for a fun Bluetooth speaker, I highly recommend this one. I'm already obsessed with it, and I know I'm gonna be using it all summer long. You could take this with you to the pool, take this with you to the beach, wherever you're going, and you can have your music. And if you're like me and you cannot live without music, you need one of these. And can I just say, when you subscribe to FabFitFun and you get your FabFitFun box, you will be amazed by the value of all the products, because sometimes even just one of the products you get in the box can exceed the value of the entire box, which just makes it so much more worth it. Something else they do that I think is really cool is they actually donate to charity every season. They pick a different charity, and right now for the summertime, they are donating to Make-A-Wish. I think it's a great cause, and it's just another reason why I love supporting them and why I think everyone should sign up for FabFitFun. And if this box hasn't gotten you feeling hyped for summer already, then this product definitely will. This right here is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. This stuff smells so amazing. I'm gonna spray some now because it smells just like watermelons. Ooh, I love it. And it's super light. I use it today to set my makeup, and I love how light it feels. It smells delicious. It smells just like watermelon. Seriously reminds me of summertime so much, and I'm obsessed. Ciate London is a great brand. I've also been seeing them a ton lately in the beauty world. They have amazing products. If you're looking for a good setting spray or you want to discover new beauty products, check out FabFitFun, y'all. Check out this setting spray. Smells amazing. Love the brand. All right, let's open up the next surprise in my box. All right, y'all, this is another great product. I was so impressed with this product. This one right here, if you are a content creator, influencer, or you're just a babe that likes taking selfies, you need this little clip-on selfie ring light. It's made by the company Soar. Here's the box that it came in. Came with the battery, which is all it needs to power up, which I love. No having to charge it, no cables, nothing like that. So I already have used this on my phone and on our iPad. Love it so much. If you're doing like a Zoom meeting or you have any conference call, Google Meet, whatever you're doing, and you need some lighting, you just want to look good, you want to get your glow on, live your best life, you need a little clip-on ring light just like this one. As you can tell, just opens up like that, and you can clip it onto your phone, clip it onto your iPad, clip it onto your laptop. Gets super bright too. Let me show you. All right, so here's the first setting. It's super bright already on its own, right? Nice little lighting. It'll just add to your natural beauty. Okay, we love that. Okay, the second setting gets even brighter, right? See that? Love it. Yes, live your best life. And then the last setting gets super bright. Okay, look at that. Like, I have softbox lights up right now, but this right here, oh man, it could do it for you all on its own, and you can just clip it on, take it wherever you gotta go, take it to the airport, take it to Starbucks, take it to your school for your Zoom meetings, whatever you need to do, this little ring light, it's where it's at. If you're new to my channel and you don't know me, I'm actually a plus size content creator and influencer. Like I mentioned earlier, you can follow me on socials at JBay Production or on TikTok at JBay Official. So I use lighting all the time. I'm constantly making content, and having something like this that's super light, portable, user-friendly is going to be perfect for taking my pictures, creating some content, and living my best content creator life. This product is made by a company called Soar. You can check it out. Comes with everything you need, and I believe I actually think it was a FabFitFun exclusive. So it might have specifically been offered for FabFitFun members, which is awesome. Another great perk of subscribing to FabFitFun. Another added benefit to subscribing to FabFitFun is you will have access to flash sales. They have some of the best flash sales I've ever seen. You can go on there and get beauty, lifestyle products. You can get furniture, and they're up to 70% off the actual retail price. I love when they have their sales. They are amazing. There are so many things. It's so hard to choose because you want it all. But let me go ahead and show you the next item. Okay, so look at this pouch. This is the next item I got in my box. This right here is by the company Poolside, New York. It is a tie-dye water-resistant pouch. And you might be like, what would I use a water-resistant pouch for? And I'm like, no, you would use it for everything. You can put your phone inside and you don't have to worry if it's going to get wet. There's a see-through compartment pocket that zips, so you can put your phone right in there. You can put your sunglasses, your lip gloss, whatever you need in these other pouches on the sides. Okay, it has a little wrist strap. It fits my wrist, so it'll definitely fit yours because I wear a size 6X. So it'll definitely fit your wrist if it fits mine. And with the little wristlet strap, you can easily zip it and it's all nice and safe. You can have your stuff and not be too worried. And you can tell that it will have tons of room to expand. So you can put a ton of stuff in here. And I just love the design. I think it's really cute. Like, look at that. I think it's adorable. Love tie-dye. Love this. Okay, and before we move on to the last item, which I promise is amazing. They say save the best for last, and that is what we did today. Can't wait to show you this last item. But before I get there, I just love FabFitFun, okay? I know I've said it a million times, and these are all my own opinions. Even though FabFitFun and I partnered on this video together, all of my opinions are my own, and how I feel about everything, how I feel about the products, how I feel about FabFitFun as a whole, all those opinions are my own. For over the last year, we've all been going through something really rough with COVID and quarantining and stay-at-home orders and all of that, right? I know that I've struggled with my mental health at times during this, and what I love about FabFitFun is it's a guaranteed little gift delivered right to you. Subscribing to FabFitFun, in my opinion, is an act of self-care. It's an act of self-love because you deserve good things. You deserve to get a gift customized for you, gets delivered straight to your door and makes you feel good and makes you feel excited. You deserve that, and I think that's what FabFitFun is. And I know for me, it's helped my mental health when I have a box as amazing as this one to look forward to, and I know that I'm going to be getting it soon. It's super exciting getting to unbox all the products and use them and try them out, and then getting to share them with you. It's so exciting and it's so worth it. But now I will get on to the very last item. Okay, you know how I talked about how one item alone can exceed the value of the entire box? This one right here is it. This right here is proof. This right here, if you're not familiar and have never seen this before, is the PMD Clean. It is a smart facial cleansing device. It can massage your face. It can help your skin absorb products much better, like serums. The massage modes on here are anti-aging facial massage modes, which is super cool. If anti-aging is something you look for in products, the bristles are nice and they're gentle on your skin. They help you clean your skin. I've used this with my serums to try and get them more absorbed into my skin. I've loved it. This specifically is a product I have been eyeing for years. I've seen these all over social media, but it was something I never thought to buy for myself, and it's something I just never thought to spend the money on. So the fact that it came in my FabFitFun, and the fact that it's such a fun color for summer, and it's something I've been wanting to try out for so long, I was stoked. This right here alone, if you're subscribing to the box, I believe this right here alone would make it worth it. Like, and this could be, and that could be a different product for you. Maybe one of your favorites was the speaker or something like that. But personally, this product alone just makes me so thankful to be working with FabFitFun. I can genuinely and honestly say this is my favorite FabFitFun box I have ever received. I have used all of the products and I actually love every single one of them and know that I'm going to get my use out of them, and they're not products that I'm never going to take another look at, which means so much to me. Overall, I am super impressed with the summer 2021 FabFitFun box. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Would recommend, would highly recommend. This box has set the tone for me for summer, and I am so excited. I'm feeling good. Can't wait to get outdoors more. Can't wait to live my best life. Hot girl summer, here we come. I hope that you've loved my unboxing and my impressions of all the items in the summer 2021 FabFitFun box. I would highly recommend subscribing to FabFitFun. If you're going to choose a subscription box, FabFitFun is the way to go. You get a mixture of all kinds of products and you will love it. If you've never subscribed to FabFitFun before, you can use my discount code JAEBAE, that is JAEBAE, to save $10 on your first box. If you have any questions about subscribing to FabFitFun, how it works, leave them for me down there and I will make sure to get back to you and answer them to the best of my abilities. I hope you've loved this video. If so, please give me a big old thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on for notifications, and if you don't already, follow me on my socials at JBay Productions or on TikTok at JBay Official. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye, guys.